Hello. Oh, hi. I'm Alessandra, local musician, professional artist fellow with the Arts Council for Long Beach. And today I'm going to be doing an electronics project where I'm going to take this rotary phone and wire it to this MP3 player using the cable from this cheap headset that I bought online. And that way I'll be able to display the rotary phone next to my album art that I've crafted, and you'll be able to preview a track from my album that's coming out in 2025 that was supported by the grant from the Arts Council. So it's a pretty cool project. I'm very excited, and it's going to be something that people are going to be able to enjoy for a few months while the exhibit is up. So without further ado, let's get started and take this phone apart. Okay, so first let's take off the front. So just one screw. And there's the inside. We don't have to worry about all this stuff. We're just going to take this spirally cable and disconnect the wires coming out of it from the rest of the phone. And we're going to connect that spirally cable directly to the end of the cable from the auxiliary handset. And then we'll be able to plug the MP3 player in. Okay, so let's open up this handset and see which wires are where. And in the mouthpiece, we have green and red, and in the headpiece, we have yellow and black. Noted. And then in the blue auxiliary jack, we'll just cut this off, and we don't need that. So now we'll strip the end and see what we've got inside here. 1, 2, 3 wires. Pink, white, and green. So I'm going to note that here. And then we're going to look for the connections that will make our thing work. So then I'm going to strip the ends of these wires too. So that way I'll be able to solder them together and then also connect alligator clips to test them out. So now, kind of like how I was checking out what was connected to what in the handset, I also want to see which part of the adapter each wire connects to. And then I use those alligator clips to figure out which combo worked. Richard at the library gave me a refresher on soldering. And here's our little magnifying glass friend holding my wires straight. Brush on some flux. And then I'm going to hold the soldering gun under and the soldering wire over and kind of melt them together. My soldering's a little lumpy bumpy, but I got some good practice and it was a success. So then I'm insulating the wires with the electrical tape. And then I got to use the Dremel at the library to cut this screw down to size for mounting the phone to this board on the wall. And so I have the wire coming out of the back and a space in the board to hide the MP3 player. So I screwed the phone to this board, and the MP3 player connects to the wire that's going through the board, through the phone. And when you press play, you can hear the song through the phone. So mission accomplished. And now you can see it on display as part of the listening station at the exhibit at the Billie Jean King Main Library in downtown Long Beach. It's got about a month left on display, and I'm going to be doing an artist talk at the library on February 27th. It's a Thursday, and I believe it's from 5 to 7. And here's our finished piece. I'm so stoked. It came out great. And I like the sound of the song coming out of the rotary phone. I think it's a pretty cool experience. And these are some pictures from the art reception opening in October. It was so cool to put all this work into this project and then get to see people interact with it. So I'm inviting you to come down to the library and interact with the phone and come to the artist talk if you can. And stay tuned for the announcement for my album release show. And there's my certificate from the mayor. Hooray! All right, stay tuned.